So, Pim, tell us a little bit about the challenges that you see that are facing the insurance industry.
Yeah, sure, Mark. So QB is primarily in the commercial insurance business, and I think certainly my experience is commercial insurance as a business doesn't really have a lot of high volume processes. We tend to have a large number of fairly varied processes of reasonably low volumes. And what that means is your starting point for any transformation journey is naturally more complex than other industries. On top of that, typically what I've seen in my career in the insurance industry is you have lots of, I'd say, legacy processes. So there hasn't been in the past, in the past few years, significant kind of industry-wide process re-engineering efforts. So you've got by its definition, reasonably complex industry with processes that have kind of grown over a significant period of time without really going through any kind of fundamental re-engineering. So it is, for me, it is a complex business to deliver meaningful digital transformation in.
The main challenge is our antiquated approaches to conducting business, and that's why we're investing millions through the TOM project to digitalize the entire processes for the market so that we can reduce those costs of old processes so that people can focus on adding real value for our customers.
We always thought from inside out. We quickly realized in the last couple of years that this is not the way that we want to go forward, right? We want to think from a customer's perspective, how we can engage with the customers better and make their experience better. And we are going through the transformation journey right now to bring IT and business together. We realize that working in silos is not going to be effective for us, right? So we have now shared common goals across our pillars. We have defined strategic pillars for growth, efficiency, and experience, and shared IT and business common goals. Instead of talking about requirements now, we talk about how to map our capabilities to focus on customer touch points, and that's definitely improving our customer experience.
So initially, we developed a Pega platform to provide an end-to-end audit management system. And with hindsight, instead of building the entire application from start to finish, within 6 months, we should have maybe broken it down and completed it in stages. We can have all of the technology in the world, but if we don't make it easy for the end user to use, driving that adoption is very difficult. And we had to scale back some of our processes to accommodate for all of our end users, because this was a huge cultural shift that we were implementing this system for across all age groups, and trying to drive that change was a challenge in the beginning.
In a lot of ways, it is fundamentally delivering business change. It's a collaboration between business and IT. You can't build a system and give it to people and expect them to use it. There has to be a collaborative process.